ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ Yes. Acknowledgement. Acknowledgement is number one. Yes, question. No password today. Court will not be sitting up to that. Because when office objections are there, why should you move a memo for that? You should have done it. Not now. Before moving a memo, you should have done it then. And then should have moved it. With this matter will be called at 11:30. By the time if you do it, or else will adjourn it. Yes, next. Still number 2. Shivkumar, Panna, Paraj. For compliance of the office objections. The petition shall comply with the office objections by 15th of January, or else the petition shall stand dismissed without further reference to the court. Still number 3. As a request for compliance with the office objections, same 15th default order. Yes, next. Still number 4. Shall Yes, no representation. No representation after vacation. Yes, next. Admission matters. Still number 5. After vacation. After vacation. Oh, this is yesterday's matter. When is it? When you can? Where is the? Where is the? There is no order for the presence of parties. No. I said for the mediation when they will be able to go. That's what I wanted him to get the instructions.
But he actually wanted to come and present that he is not able to pay money, and since he is retired now, his retirement.
No, all that I'll not consider at this stage. I just said she says that they are interested and all. So go before the mediation, and I wanted you to get specific instruction when he'll be able to attend the mediation, not to the court. Unnecessarily you made him to come. When? Go and ask him, no?
Yes. I have a request, my lords, and kindly permit. It can be referred to mediation. The first thing is that he is father of 3 daughters. He cannot wash up his obligation is first thing. And since if he is ready to join the company of daughters and wife, we do not have objection because we want him to be united with the family. First thing is that. And if he is ready to take care.
No. Yes.
They are all educated.
When you can go for, when you can appear before the mediation center? Date. Anytime is fine. It is submitted that the respondent has undergone major surgery, and it is a submission of the counsel for the petitioner that in fact they are ready, but the husband is not joining. It is the grievance of the husband that the wife is not joining him. In the circumstances, this court deems it appropriate to direct the parties to appear before the mediation center on 8th of January. Yes, next. Yes.
Serious matter.
Take that.
That's a reference. They have not been disputed by the petitioner.
You have seen this?
Please.
It comes to 4,36,30,000. From the date of registration, rupees 10,000 per month, and it's paid regularly. That there is no dispute on that also. So now what is to be paid is only that 4,36,000.
And to continue the
10,000 payment.
Yes. Now,
And how much time you require for this?
This pay scale is 80,000 euros. Around he gets around 70 to 80,000. So what is he saying is every month he will pay 75,000 euros. For 5 months he will pay 75,000, and for 6 months he will pay 61,000. With that 6 months, Your Lordship will be able to pay 4,36,000 in total.
Where is that?
That Your Lordship, I am submitting, Your Lordship.
What is it you tell me?
Your Lordship.
First, what from where? What is it from when?
5 months will pay 75,000.
What is that? 5 months.
January
So
to
Jan,
to May.
Feb, March, April, May. How much it pay?
75,000.
75,000 per month.
Per month.
Thereafter,
61,000 will be left, Your Lordship. That will pay.
remaining will be 61,000.
61,000.
That you will pay in June.
June. Which period, because it's not having enough resources to pay.
And that also fine.
2 months.
How can you expect the arrears to be paid just like that?
That it also includes 10,000 per month also, Your Lordship. So that will go up to 85,000.
It's reasonable what the request they are making is. Please come.
Your Lordship, one more request, Your Lordship. Let there be a judicial order on this, Your Lordship. So that with the finding of notice that without reference to the charge, Your Lordship, that for 4 months is fixed by the total court.
I didn't get you.
The 4,000 per month, Your Lordship. Let it be a judicial order on that, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Not placing relaxation.
The agreed with the you have also filed.
Yes, Your Lordship. I have filed against the quantum that is 10,000.
Agreed with the orders passed interim miscellaneous number 341 of 2013, dated 14 February 2023. Both the wife and husband are before this court. The wife's petition is RPFC 1000106 of 2023, and the husband's petition is RPFC 10060 of 2023. Initially, wife had filed a petition under 120 CRPC seeking maintenance of an amount of 15,000 per month to her and 5,000 each to the children. By order dated 17/6/2015, the petitioner was allowed in part by granting maintenance of an amount of rupees 5,000 per month to the daughter, to the child, and rejected the claim of the wife. And who is petitioner?
Son.
And the son. And the same was challenged by filing RPFC number 100203 of 2015. And by order dated 4/7/2022, this court has allowed the revision petition in part and has set aside the order passed by the court insofar as the wife is concerned and has remitted the matter to the court to adjudicate the same by giving an opportunity to both the sides. Thereafter, the present order is passed, whereby the court had directed the husband to pay maintenance of an amount of 10,000 per month to the wife from the date of the restoration of the petition after remand of the matter by the court. While granting this relief, the court has also observed that the case is of the year 2013 and is remanded by the court to adjudicate the matter for consideration afresh. Hence, court is of the view that awarding maintenance from the date of restoration of the petition would be just and proper. When it comes to the quantum of maintenance, the court observed that the gross salary of the husband is rupees 73,175 and his net salary is 44,335. Considering the same, the court has come to the conclusion that granting 10,000 is just and proper. Next point. The wife is agreed with the order on 2 counts. That is, one with regard to the quantum also, with regard to the quantum, and the other is the order of the court where the maintenance is awarded from the date of the restoration of the petition. No, from the date of remand
Restoration.
Yeah, what is restoration?
Your Lordship, just want to put pass an order allowing the RPFC.
That is called restoration.
Restoration. It was put back to the
That is from the date of order, where this court in the criminal RPSC had allowed where the court has allowed the RPSC from that date, the court had granted the amount of 10,000. And when it comes to the petition filed by the husband, it is his case that granting maintenance of an amount of rupees 10,000 is on the higher side. And what is other ground?
He's on the highest side.
He is on the,
And also he has other liabilities and this.
he has other commitments. He has to take care of his parents.
There's his mother.
He can take care of the mother. And in view of these, all these responsibilities, the amount of 10,000 that is granted is on the higher side. Next, having heard the counsels on either side, peruse the material on record. There is no dispute about the fact that an application is filed in the year 2013 seeking maintenance. Initially, court has rejected the claim of the wife. Then again, it's that the revision is filed before this court, and the court has come to the court has disposed of the same, holding that the wife is entitled for maintenance and directed the court to consider the quantum of maintenance. In the opinion, the considered opinion of this court, the family court went wrong in observing that the wife is not the wife is entitled to maintenance only from that day. From the date when the trial court initially went wrong, which has been set aside by the High Court. That doesn't mean that the maintenance has to be calculated from the day. For all, she is entitled for maintenance and at all times, right from the date of petition, but not from the date of order. The next contention is with regard to enhancement of maintenance. Already an amount of rupees 5,000 is granted to the daughter. No, earlier an amount of rupees 5,000 is granted to the daughter. Thereafter, you said he is retired or going to retire or something?
Retiring in 3 years. 27 is when
That it is the considering the take home salary of 44,335 and also the other commitments of the husband, the court has fixed an amount of rupees 10,000. According to the husband, that is on the higher side. Even on that count also, neither the wife is entitled for enhancement nor the amount that is granted by the court needs any interference from this court. In that view of the matter, this court is passing the following order. Number 1, RPSC number 100106 of 2023, filed by the wife, is partly allowed, and she is entitled for maintenance from the date of petition. No, before that, in the first observation with regard to her entitlement from the date of petition. But this petition is filed in the year 2013, granting an amount of rupees 10,000 as arrears from 2013. It would definitely cause a lot of inconvenience to the husband. As such, the court is not inclined to grant the 10,000 as granted by the court from the date of petition. However, considering the facts and circumstances, this court is of the view that 4,000 would be an appropriate amount towards arrears from the date of petition till the date of order passed by the court. So, number 1, from the date of petition, till the date of the order of the court, it comes to 109 months. What is that star 109? 109 months. At 4,000, it is 4,36,000. 36,000. Now, there is a husband submits that it would be difficult for the husband to pay the amount at a time. In that view of the matter, She shall pay an amount of rupees you shall pay an amount of rupees 75,000 every month for the month of January, February, March, April, and May. And in the month of May, he shall pay an amount of rupees 61,000. Number two, he shall continue to pay 10,000 per month. There is no dispute that it is submitted that till now he is continuing to pay 10,000 from the date of the order. If there is any violation, the wife is at liberty to initiate appropriate proceeding. According to the petition filed by the husband, that is RPFC 10060 of 2023, is discussed.
But one more liberty may be reserved with respect to the husband in the situation when he retires your life. He may be given liberty to file aforesaid application for
It is submitted that the husband is retiring in 2027, and and in that case, it feels that he is not in a position to pay the amount. He will be at liberty to move an appropriate application. Yes, please.
Ready to take her because I have made arrangement. Let her come, the vehicle is ready for us. Because I have requested this court.
We will keep this matter pending and we will list this matter on March, in the month of March.
Please, please.
March. Till such time you be with your husband. What she says?
February, that is March, February.
You want it in February?
February.
And then we'll make it February.
She says that husband has not made a single call to her. Single call to her.
What is this? Now she's going today.
No, wait.
How will she bother about the call?
Her anxiety is just expressing. Husband has not made till today. He has not made a single call to her. And the fact is that let me submit.
Then what is the difficulty to call her?
As
Advocate is calling.
I am also very close to them. I also advise and I am treating her as a sister.
Understand?
Yes, I do
No,
understand.
what's the difficulty for him to
that
call?
That day only when myself and the petitioner were in her house and we asked her to call on that day because she was alleging that the calls were blocked and she called and it was ringing. That is not the case, not otherwise he would have present today.
No.
That
Please listen to the court. All said and done, what also happened, let's forget. No, he says she wants to join and he wants to take her. In that case, what's the difficulty for him to call her?
No, what has happened is on previous occasion he was present. Without minutes, she wanted to talk to him. I would have suggested.
It is not if at all she wants to. Why she doesn't want to?
And the chamber, both had a discussion in the chamber previous occasion. And he agreed, and whatever she wanted, we had given it. After that, we went and we had a cup of tea, and she also talked to him very smoothly, and everything was done. And after that, she was supposed to come. Today, otherwise, I would have kept him present to this honorable court. Since IG has taken a meeting at 2 o'clock, and in the morning also he called me and said that vehicle is also here and the driver is waiting here.
The same thing he can also tell her. That's what I'm saying.
Even I have.
What is her big ego he has?
No, absolutely there is no any sort of talking with the wife. There is no issue. She is continuously she is telling to me also that he had blocked the calls, and I am telling her that you go and otherwise I assured her that I will come personally along with you. Any assistance if required, I personally come. Because I went to, before this also, I had been to the house of the respondent. I advise her, because I am also treating her as my sister. I have advised her.
No, please tell her there is no compulsion that the court is not compelling her to go. If she is interested, then only she can. Why is she crying?
No, simple thing is that since she had made a call several times.
So that's one
prior to
aspect. That is one
Yes.
aspect. Please again ask her before the court whether she is voluntarily she wants to go or any. Ask her.
She,
शादी के 10 साल हुए थे भी 10 साल हुए थे तो भी बिजी रहता था मुझे टाइम मुझे वक्त ही नहीं मिलता वक्त नहीं मिलता
Today, on the last occasion, both the wife and the husband were present before the court. It is stated that both of them the wife wants to join the husband and the husband wants to take the wife. At a earlier occasion, it is complained that though both of them agreed to join each other, but it is a complaint of the husband that she has not come, and it's a complaint of the wife that she has not taken her. Then today this court, on the last occasion, this court has asked the wife to be present before the court, and if she wants to go, the husband will take her from the court itself. It is submitted with the counsel appealing to the husband that he is he is investigating is a part of the sessions case. As such, he couldn't come, and he has sent the vehicle, and she can go to the husband. The wife who is present before the court submits that she wants to go to the husband. She wants to join the husband. She is stated that though he is saying before the court, he has not called her. Then this court had repeatedly asked her if she is interested to join the husband, then only she can go. It is a submission that she wants to join the husband. Then counsel for the husband submits that the matter can be kept pending, and if by any reason, if nothing works out, they can argue the matter on the merits of it. Considering the same, list this matter on February 13th. List this matter on February 13th.
Interim order needs to be extended.
Interim order granted will be extended. Yes, next. What is the urgency for memo now? 2023 matter.
It was listed on 2020, but the matter was not came on board. Then the
So?
again.
It can wait. List certification on January 21st. Yes, next.
For respondent,
What is this?
what is the present purpose?
Oh, this is the case.
Yes, sir.
In this case, we want after passing of the order by December before, directed both them jointly search for a related devices and they have done that exercise. The intermittent period, what had happened is, because the trial court, this order was not, the warrant was issued, then that proceedings had taken place. Then again, this was brought to the court, to the trial court. Then court has also reiterated the same, if the order is passed, to make an effort to find a house. And they have already noticed, I am told, that they have performed the puja of one house. They found it finally.
Why is she doing?
Because they have searched the house, but he has not given the deposit to the said house, and the said house has been put to someone else.
It is not like
You
that.
did someone.
He is even now ready. He is repeatedly calling her, asking the number of the owner,
and he has went there, he has talked to the owner, and it was agreed for 5,000 rands. And he also took her for the purchase of the household articles. They have purchased also. And only thing he insisted to give the number of the owner to pay the deposit. And he has come with the deposit today also.
Now tell her he has come with the money, he wants to pay. What's the difficulty? Then what we'll do is that tell her that I'll pass orders on this RPF itself.
He is not speaking correct, it seems to not, and he is blaming her.
So what she wants?
The act itself shows.
On the merits of it.
I will instruct her, Lord, so because we don't know the consequence. Again, my Lord, I will inform the trial court about it, and otherwise.
Tell her.
Yes, sir.
Just tell her, no, this order of maintenance, how much is granted?
3,000.
12,000 is granted.
Till today, no single rupee they are not given.
No. That's a different aspect we'll see. Tell her, if this 13,000, whatever 12,000 that is granted, if now that is reduced to 5,000, is she okay with it?
She's not listening to us. I informed the trial court advocate. Then thereafter, members will bear this matter, members, because members.
Because it appears that there is no scope for settlement by hearing the matter on the merits of it. List this on 15th of January.
Please, like.
Husband petition for 125.
Where is he?
Respondent.
What is this?
125 proceeding, my husband challenged the fees. So trial court has awarded my lord 8,000 rupees. So meantime, I have paid more than 40,000 before the agreement ends before the trial court. And the recovery percent I have paid 35,000. So the earliest payment is 2,90,000. And ready to deposit my lord 1 lakh rupees.
When?
Within 4 weeks, my lord.
And continue to pay how much?
So 5,000.
We'll hear it later. We'll pass on information.
Actually, the respondent is ready to join the company.
Now, divorce proceedings filed, my lord. That was cross-examination.
At the present, the husband is agreed with the order of the family court, where the court had granted maintenance of an amount of rupees 8,000 to the wife. It is submitted that during the pendency of the matter, he had paid 40,000, and thereafter 35,000. Altogether, he had paid 75,000. He submits that even if the maintenance is calculated at 8,000, the arrears comes to 2,90,000. It is submitted that he is ready to pay an amount of rupees 1 lakh within
4 weeks.
Within 4 weeks.
Before the trial.
Huh?
Before the trial.
Wherever it is.
Yes, sir.
Within 8 lakhs, with 1 lakh within 8 weeks. Considering, and it is submitted that the amount of 8,000 granted is on the higher side. Considering all these aspects, they shall be stay of all further proceedings in so and so, on the condition that the petitioner continues to deposit an amount of rupees 5,000 for 5/5 of every succeeding month, and 5,000 by 5th of every succeeding month, and shall deposit the arrears of 1 lakh within a period of 4 weeks. And on such deposit, the respondent wife is at liberty to withdraw.
Yes.
List this matter on 20th of February. Yes, next.
Deposited, madam, arrear.
Respondent?
Deposited.
Deposited.
The counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has already deposited 50% of the arrears as per the order dated 22/10/2024. The respondent is at liberty to withdraw the money. List this matter on 27th of February. Interim order earlier granted is extended till then. Yes.
Private respondent?
Password.
No password. It will come after vacation. This is matter on 6th of January next month at the request of Front Council Petitioner. Yes, 13th.
Yesterday, madam.
Mm.
His earning is 6,000 per month.
That's what, whatever some amount, orange no stay.
He's able to 3,000 per month.
How much is granted by the court?
30,000.
Huh?
There is no any document to show that. Any single piece of paper.
23 members.
Any single piece of paper. No any document.
Yes, several evaluations both in finance as well as
No.
real estate in the light of the amount having. All documents we have produced.
Pay 6,000 will grant interim order or no 3,000.
And one more thing, he has already performed second marriage.
Yes, 6,000 if you are ready will grant stay. Or else it will come after vacation.
5,000.
No.
Please, madam.
Yes.
5,000.
6,000. It is submitted to the court and granted an amount of rupees 13,000 as maintenance and 13 or 30. Maintenance.
Maintenance 30,000.
The trial court had granted maintenance of an amount of rupees 30,000 without any basis, and the petitioner has no, is not in a position to pay the same. Considering the submission, there shall be stay of all further proceedings on the condition that the petitioner shall pay an amount of rupees 6,000 by 5th of every succeeding month, and the arrears at 6,000 within 8 weeks from the 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. Same default order. This is matter on February 18th.
Stay order. And
It is an interim order. It will be uploaded by afternoon. What hand delivery? Yes. Huh?
The trial court awarded 7,500 each millard.
That is 15,000.
7,500 each millard. Wife and daughter millard.
That's what 15,000.
15,000. His salary is only 21,000 millard for private concern millard. Millard, he has filed an objection millard, but he has not examined millard, not cross-examined millard also. Millard, he has obtained the X40 MC divorce petition millard.
Pay 10,000.
Millard,
Pay 10,000.
10,000 without a valid reason, millard, he has left the company of the petition millard.
That finding we will not go. Now we are at an interim, for an stay, it has to be already the court has adjudicated something. Unless and until you show that that's so erroneous that blanket order will not be granted. And for all these submissions, once the respondent enter appearance, we will see.
He has not cross-examined.
That is his problem. 10,000 you are ready to pay, will grant, or else we'll see after vacation.
7,000.
The
10,000.
two people, now then how will wife and you have 21,000?
Without valid reason, left the company. We have obtained the
We will decide it.
He has filed a criminal case
We
against
will
us.
decide it in due course. We will
7,000.
decide it in due course. No, 10,000 for two people.
He price charge of 20,000. He is residing in rented house.
There are three people. Two people 10,000 for you 10,000.
Daughter is entitled. Fairly I said it. She is not entitled. That is the reason I.
If you are ready to 10,000, we'll grant, or else after vacation. Yes, next. Post this matter after vacation. It is submitted that the salary of the husband is 21,000. Court had granted 15,000. And in fact, the wife has left the company of the husband, and she is not entitled for any maintenance. And all these aspects are not considered. Considering the submission of the land council, they shall stay of all further proceedings on the condition that the petition shall pay an amount of rupees 10,000 by 5th of every succeeding month, and the arrears at 10,000 within 8 weeks, or else same default order. Registry is directed to issue notice. On such deposit, the wife is at liberty to withdraw. Yes, next.
Madam, this is the transfer petition filed by wife member
From where to where?
from Koppal to sorry madam.
Distance?
Because JNFC HPHD is sitting at Hadagli madam, 120 kilometers madam.
Which year is the MC?
2024 madam.
The present petition is fine. Seeking transfer of MC number 18 of 2024, pending on the file of the principal judge family court couple and transfer the same to the seeking transfer of the same to senior civil judge and JMSC HP Halli. What is that?
It is sitting at Hadagal.
Sitting at Puvina Hadigal. It is submitted the distance between both the places is about 120 kilometers and the distance for the wife to travel, considering the same shall be stay of all further proceedings. The petitioner shall take out hand summons from the council appearing with respondents and shall file a memo to the effect by 28th of January, or else the stay granted by this court stands vacated. List this matter on 29th.
Transfer petition filed by right.
From where to where?
From Jamkandi, from Bagalkot Jamkandi to Vijayanagar.
Distance?
Distance 232 kilometers.
Which year is MC?
MC is filed in 2024 madam, but the marriage was taken place in.
That is not relevant. The present petition is for seeking transfer of MC number 40 of 2024, pending on file of the principal senior civil judge at JMSC Jamkandi, Bagalkot district to the family court at Puvina, Hadagali, Vijayanagar district. It is submitted that the distance between both the places is 230 kilometers, same order, hand summons, and the date also same in the earlier matter. Yes, next. Yes. Yes. Use the mic.
Right has filed the transfer petition seeking transfer from senior civil judge and JMFC Haliyal to Banapur senior civil judge.
Distance
170 kilometers.
170.
170.
The petition is filed seeking transfer of MC number 65 of 2024 on the file of senior civil judge and JMFC Court Haliyal to the senior civil judge and JMFC Banahatti. It is submitted. The distance is 170 kilometers. Considering the same, they shall be stay of all further proceedings. Same order, hand summons, date also like in the earlier matter. Yes. Next 17.
Number 17.
From Dharwad to Haveri. In fact, it's 100 kilometers. She is working at Bangalore. She comes to Haveri, which is also maternal home, and other is also pending.
If she is working in Bangalore, why should it be transferred to somewhere else?
Sorry?
If she is working in Bangalore,
The other cases are pending at Haveri.
where is the husband?
Husband he states that from Mysore he has shifted to Bhadravati, and then now he is working at Bangalore. I also
File your objections. Fine.
Notice is not yet ordered. Already he has appeared now. This is the conduct wherein the other day Lordship refused to hear the appeal petition by both husband and wife. Lordship had got all of the records in the petition. But he is making constant applications, RT applications to my office. In fact, I was working with before the marriage I was working. At his instance, I resigned. Thereafter, I joined the contract job at Bangalore.
Where are you now?
I'm at Bangalore.
Then if she is at Bangalore, you are at Bangalore.
Other cases are pending at.
So what? Let this matter be there. Matrimonial matter, it requires you can both of you appear in Bangalore. Why not? Why to some other place?
But other cases are pending.
Let them be pending. In matrimonial case, where you have to regularly appear for the evidence and all, which takes more time, which is convenient to both the parties. Please get it. Let him file his objection. We will see. Let this matter after vacation for filing at the request of non-cons for the respondent for filing objections. List this matter on 13th of January.
The matter is listed on third loss of pending application.
Then we will say that let it list on 6th of January. That day is seek for adjournment. Yes.
Let's submit the file.
You filed the
Six notice. It's time fixed for filing objections. If it is not filed once, earlier also there was since she did not appear, she was placed as part.
will not.
The state will be granted. The date will be fixed to that.
7th it will come. That day you file your objections.
On third I have to fill up she has to come to us. Therefore, on limited the state will be granted. I am not saying that matter should not be pursued.
You see, in all the matters, court is granting stay. Court should feel that it's a matter of stay.
My only opinion is that on the third.
No, already court case is somewhere, you contest it on that day.
My only opinion is that on third it is listed for objections. What's all?
When the court is not as of now and is inclined to entertain your relief that is sought.
I'm not saying that was.
I'm not
ready for the.
No, no,
I'm
no.
not ready
The
for
court
process
is
of
not,
dialogue.
when the court is not inclined to entertain your main prayer itself, question of granting interim prayer will not arise.
May for a moment submit humble submission. I'm not saying that I'm against to transfer to Bangalore also. I contact my client and submit with regard to the transfer to Bangalore also. That is not the case. But the impediment is the matter is listed on third agenda.
File your objection.
What's
That will be carried to wherever court it goes. We will not already, as you are saying, it's an ex parte. Seven, 6 you can count.
It is not that what we do on file objection. The legal stay will be granted not on that day itself. Time will be fixed on the next week, not on the working day. I will go ahead with the matter, let me file objections. Till that day I am requesting. That's it. I am not saying that I am not file objections also. I am not opposed to.
Because you cannot also say.
Sorry.
You cannot also say that you will not file objections. You have to file objections.
We also file objections and secure this.
Because why should this is not a matter of routine that the court will grant. I am not convinced. Why will I grant? I am not convinced.
All the other way
I am granting because I am not convinced in this matter.
If I consider that it could be transferred at Bangalore, since both the parties are working at Bangalore, obviously the proceedings could.
No, but you are let her go. Let her go next part. Yes.
But this is the date of 21/1/2022. Kapara to Bijapur.
MCs of which year?
And 2022.
Where are the proceedings?
Things are now where to settle the matter, but they are
Settled. 22 matter no stay. Notice. Notice to the respondent, petition permitted to take out and summons of the council. FRU for the respondent lists this matter on 21st of January.
First week of January.
First week of January. Listed on 9th of January.
The petition will transfer to from Koppal to
Couple to
Dharwad. The
This
year
is-
of 2024. This is 160 kilometers.
MCO
131 or 24.
24. The present petition is for the transfer of MC number.
131 of 24.
MC number 131 of 2024, pending on file of the principal to the family court coupled to the family court Dharwad. It is submitted to the distances
160.
160 kilometers and difficult for the wife to travel. Considering the same, they shall be stay. They shall be stay of all further proceedings and so and so and so till the next date of hearing. Petition is permitted to take out hand summons on the council appearing for the respondent, who shall file a memo to the effect by 3rd February, or else the stay granted by this court stands vacated. This is matter on 4th. Next.
On the previous statement, with respect to maintenance, what it given the respondent gives 30,000, and I submitted that we pay about 20,000 per month. Keeping in the mind the age of the kids, they are not, they are like 4 years and 7 years. In that regard, you have to please to direct the petitioner to make an amount or pay an amount or directly deposit. The husband has made a demand of 3 lakh euros. The memo calculation has.
Exactly.
If it is for 20,000 per month, it is 57 months, and that will come up to 11,40,000 euros. As on date, 7,45,000 has already been paid to the respondent's euros. The petitioner husband has made demand of rupees 3 lakh as on today to deposit from the non-payment court euros. And 95,000 rupees
since there was only 1 day alone, this matter came up just on Wednesday alone. So if 4 weeks is given up, even 2 weeks also you are not going to deposit 95,000.
Three checks. Three checks. Wife has a wife.
How much is granted by the court?
10,000 rupees each.
So I'll just tell you, 10,000 each. No, I'm not going to dispose of this matter. 10,000 each is granted. That comes to 30,000. Now, the first of all, in the first step, the party should get some amount. No, there will be an interim order. You will get, no, you will receive that 3 lakh rupees check, DD, and 95,000 will fix it in 2 weeks. It will come up again. Then it can be argued on merits, isn't it? So that your party is benefited. That's the whole purpose in granting stay in these kind of matters, because they are like, in spite of an order, they won't be able to enjoy the fruits of it.
Fixing 8,000 rupees per month.
Huh?
Fixing 8,000 rupees per month.
Wait, did I say 8,000?
Each. Each.
Your wife is also a government employee.
Definitely.
No. Temporarily we said it is 30,000 to 20,000 first. Not that I'm going to dispose it off.
In that case, your lordship, please remove.
No, I'm saying
Your
in respect of granting
lordship,
interim.
for 7,000 per month, that will come up to 21,000. The difference amount is paid within 1 week, within 1 month.
No. I'm saying I'm arguing in respect of only interim order subject to not paying 8,000 rupees each month.
In fact, your lordship, they will be given liberty if there is any
No,
enhancement. your
No.
lordship,
What to do is, no.
20,000
Interim order is 20,000 and this payment as it is.
Yes, sir.
And then later it will come up.
Please.
And you will continue to pay 20,000.
Please.
The agreed with the order dated. There is the order dated 1st April 2023. In the order passed in Tribunal Miscellaneous number 81 of 2020, dated 1st April 2023. The husband is before this court. By order in June, the court had granted an amount of 30,000, that is 10,000 each, that is what, 10,000 to the wife and to 10,000 each.
Not to the wife.
Not to the wife. Wife
All
has
the
not
children, by children, by the wife on behalf of the children. 10,000 is, 10,000 each is granted to all the children. According to the father, his income is
His income is about, take home is 80,000.
80,000. 80,000. It is stated that there are, there are other commitments and.
One submission with that regard. He is suffering from stroke here. His entire body is in semi-paralyzed. So there are
He is
many
paying,
expenses.
he is suffering with health ailments and granting an amount of rupees 30,000. He is on the higher side. It is submitted that the court has failed to consider the case of the husband. The case of the husband, and counsel for the respondent submits that the court has rightly considered and considering considering the fate of the 3 children, the court had rightly granted 30,000, and considering the salary of the husband and the maintenance that is granted, there are no grounds to interfere. Considering the fact considering all these submissions and the contention that are raised with the parties can be considered at the time of final hearing. At this stage, this court is inclined to pass the following order. Before that, it is submitted that the petitioner has already paid. You know how much you have paid earlier?
7,45,000. As on.
He has paid an amount of rupees in his contention. He has paid an amount of rupees 7,45,000. This court is inclined to grant interim order on the condition that the petitioner shall pay an amount of rupees 20, shall continue to pay an amount of rupees 20,000 per month. It is submitted, the arrears at 20,000 for 57 months will come to 11,40,000. As
by taking 20,000, not that.
No, 20 I said. At 20,000 for 57 months, it comes to 11,40,000. It is submitted that as he has already paid 7,45,000, the difference amount is rupees 3,95,000. The petitioner, the counsel of the petition has handed over a check of DD for an amount.
In the name of additional registrar, I'll deposit before the petitioner.
The petitioner had already, petitioner has come to the court with a DD for an amount of rupees.
The details are in the memo you have.
Ah.
DD number as well.
The DD for an amount of rupees 3 lakhs. The same shall be deposited before the registrar today, and on such deposit, the respondent is at liberty to withdraw the amount. Number 2, the remaining amount of rupees 95,000 shall be deposited within a period of 3 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. If the petitioner fails to deposit the amount, the order granted by this court stands vacated, and he shall continue to pay 20,000 by 5th of every succeeding month. List this matter on 3rd of March.
There are recovery proceedings and
Already stay is granted. Yes. What is this matter?
Last time was the chambers where they had filed an affidavit saying that we didn't provide, the husband.
Where
didn't
are,
provide-
no, what is your instruction?
For 2 days.
Hmm.
And regarding that matter, on the first day they joined, she made a very big issue out of it. At the night.
No, what is the situation now?
My lord, the situation is the husband is ready and has provided, as per the law's instructions, he has provided legal leave.
So that's your case. What is your case?
So,
My lord, she joined the her husband.
No, she joined.
Now she joined.
yes, my lord.
Further, there is no decision after the.
It is submitted that now the wife had.
Submission, my lord. The matter can be taken as part heard, my lord.
How can it be? It's very difficult to take these partnered matters. Like counsel for the petitioner, like counsel, both the counsel submits that the wife has joined the husband. List this matter on February 18th. Delete from partnered. Yes, sir.
The reason they're asking for a partner was because the matter has taken place before the.
It will again take place before the other judge also. It's difficult to, that too with this, your, whatever that, the mode you are using from here, from Bangalore, it's very difficult for the court.
But regarding this matter, because as per my lord's orders, they have complied with the they have complied with all the objectives.
No, you're not understanding the practicality. Court has no problem. From Bangalore, I have seen so many matters, but from here it is very difficult. I can't hear and I can't, and that too the parties with their, this thing, it's very difficult. Unnecessarily, it is inconvenience to you also. Delete. Yes, next. 22. Yes. What is this matter?
Because that had been to pay 4,50,000.
Yes.
Sir,
DD till May.
Please. And they are supposed to file an affidavit stating that.
Where is that affidavit?
file future rent for arrears rent of 6 months and future rent up to 38,625
Till?
with 38,625.
That is where your lease expires. Then where is that undertaking? I'll file it. I'll take it up in the chambers at 1:30. 1:50.
So far as that, my lord, one request, the very nature of business is objects with 50 kilometers from the temple, 50 meters from the, say, no, my lord, the premises is to be obtained, my lord, non-objectionable premises is to be searched.
No, please tell the court, can anybody compel the owner of the property to let the, first of all, no, let me tell you this. Your client is not at all in a position to bargain because this is a case where out and out this petition has to be allowed. In spite of that, considering your request of your colleague who made it, and considering the plight of the client, this arrangement is made. Everything has to go how this court is saying. There is no via media for this.
Another 4 5 months.
No, not at all, not at all. Yes. Call this matter at 1:30 with an affidavit, 1:15, it will be ordered, or else it will be dismissed. Yes. 22, 23. Yes. It has to be heard or
Yes, it has to be heard.
why?
It requires,
No, that's what I'm saying. We'll have it after vacation.
please.
Is this matter after vacation? Where is that matter passed out? On 27th of January? Yes.
Passport matter, serial number 1.
Yes.
Only 3 objections. One, due to after 4 o'clock ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ late, I am unable to file delay.
Delay IA with full cost title to be
That
filed.
is completed. That is complied, Your Lordship.
Then IA for stay to be filed in the
That is
precise
also-
format.
That is also filed, Your Lordship. And delay application due to little late, yesterday not filed. That's why, with permission of this honorable court, I am presently answering.
How much is the delay?
67 days, Your Lordship.
Then now why will this court grant stay?
Your Lordship, the petitioner which has.
I'm telling you, in any of the delay matters, this court is not granting any interim order unless and until you tell the court why is the delay.
Your Lordship,
Is it a contested matter or not?
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. I am with Your Lordship. The factual aspect of this case, Your Lordship. This case is against final order of the family court order. Family court fixed rupees 7,000 rupees per month. This is husband's petition, Your Lordship.
I understand.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in 2007, marriage is solemnized. Very next day of the marriage, she left the company of the husband. After the sincere effort by the elders, after 8 days she came and she lived only 15 days and left the cohabitation of the husband with huge amount, 30,000 rupees amount and gold. That's after 15 years, Your Lordship. After 15 years of desertion, last year she filed this criminal misdemeanor, Your Lordship. There is no marital life led by the husband. Because of this adamant attitude of the wife, he suffered a lot. He is mentally.
That is on the merits of the matter. Why did you not come to court within time? Number one.
But Your Lordship, that due to some financial condition, that's why say it take them little late. And after their arrival, I have filed this petition, Your Lordship. That's lenient to be taken by this honorable court, and they have filed the recovery petition, Your Lordship. That is fixed on 26th, Your Lordship. That's why last moment.
So once the recovery proceedings are filed, then only you will come to the court.
Recovery. One more petition is filed for the recovery of this order.
That's what I am saying.
That's why it's very.
But Fallut is adjourned, but this court is not entertaining any petition on a delay. Why should, once you come with a delay, unless and until notice is ordered, delay is condoned, you are not entitled for interim order.
Humble request before this court, Your Lordship. ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನು ರಾಜಿ ಮಾಡಿಸೋ ವಿಚಾರ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು solve
And
the
you
matter.
don't, on office objections, the court has to, you will come up with delay. After that, after that, the court has to do another exercise of, doing this all, complying with objections in the court. Then after that, without issuing notice, court has to grant the stay. How is it?
Humble request, Your Lordship. Humble request.
You pay 5,000 will grant.
He's very poor, Lord. He's already spoiled his marital life, and due to ill advisors of the
Please
others,
understand.
due to ill Lordship,
Court cannot do all that. Don't,
even
tell the court all this.
single days he not let marital life, Lordship. 15
That
years.
we will see, that we will see.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That we will see later.
That's why at least one interim order, now we'll solve the matter subsequently.
Interim order on what condition? Huh?
Please, Your Lordship.
What please? Interim order has to be on some condition.
Some
Otherwise,
percent deposit ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
What is that amount?
One year ಅದು 70 to 80,000 something ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 lakh near to 1 lakh ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
When is the petition filed?
Petition is filed on. Petition is filed on. Petition is filed on 28/6/2023. Order is passed on 5/7/2023.
So till now, how many months? 12 plus another 6. Till now, 18 months. 18 into 7. Almost 1,30,000.
Yes, some amount we will deposit.
What is the sum amount?
Left to the court, please, reasonable.
1 lakh.
Not like that.
Then you should tell what is the sum amount.
On 30,000 rupees, please.
No.
150,000. Please put it straight. Solve the bill. It's a family matter, because I'm not taking it seriously.
Every matter is after all a family matter. That is before the court.
I want to solve the peaceful manner. That's why. 50,000 much.
It is submitted that the wife had dissented years back, and now the petition is filed seeking maintenance, and the court, without considering the financial capacity of the husband and the fact that she voluntarily deserted the husband, has granted the maintenance of an amount of rupees 7,000. This petition is filed. This petition is filed with a delay. This court is not inclined to grant any interim order in petition. What is that stay petition?
Delay.
This court is not inclined to grant. Generally, this court do not grant interim order in where there is delay. Considering the submission of the learned counsel, this court deems it appropriate to stay all further proceedings pursuant to the order dated so on the condition that he continue to pay an amount of 3,500 by 5th of every succeeding month, and the arrears of an amount of 50,000 within 4 weeks from today. Same default order. If either of the above conditions are not complied with, the order granted by this court stands vacated without further reference to the court. Lists this matter on January 29th. Any
Obliged.
signature?